In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a gift card for Lululemon. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to head over to lululemon.com. Now, once you're here on the main page of Lululemon, you want to click onto gift cards, top right hand corner of the page. And now scroll down a little bit and it will say send your gift by email. So you left it too late. Our e-gift cards are powered by our partner Cashstar and are delivered to your inbox instantly or at your preferred date. So we need to click onto send an e-gift card. Now once you're here, it will say who is this gift card for. So put in their name if it's for a friend and your name, or if it's for yourself, go ahead and click on for me. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to do for me and send a digital card. Click on send a digital card. And then at the bottom here, it will say how much. So go ahead and click on the how much. And we've got some prefixed numbers here. So we can do 50, 100, 150, 200. You can change the quantity here and you can change it here as well. You can also change this to USD, Canadian, Euro, etc. I'm in Australia, so I'm going to keep it Australian. Now I'm going to click on add to cart. And then it'll give you a quick order summary, and then click out checkout if it all looks good. And now from here we've got to put in contact information and then put on first name on your card, last name, all your card details, etc. Scroll down and then go ahead and click on place my order, and then from there you will receive your e-gift card, or your friend will receive it or your recipient or friend will receive that gift card straight away, or you can schedule it for a later date.